So right now, I'm looking in the textbook. This is section 7.5, and it's strategy for integration. And on page 503, we have this table of integration formulas. Of formulas you should be familiar with.
I'm just wondering if everything in this table will be on the formula sheet.
No.
Okay.
No. Okay. So, but these are things like the integral of sine x dx. Okay, you probably should be saying that one in your sleep.
Oh, no.
You know, and this one here. So anyway, these are some tables of integrals that you should be familiar with. Page 503. Now, on the next page in the book, they are giving you some strategies to follow to work the problems. And this is page 504. And see, it says simplify the integrand if possible. And they've given you some little examples there of some simplifications that you can do. Simplify it. And one thing I've said in class a lot, and this could go as part of the simplifying, sometimes look at the numerator and the denominator separately. Look at it and see if maybe there's some u substitution in there. Maybe the numerator is the derivative of the denominator, and then that's an easy u substitution problem. And here number 2 says look for an obvious substitution. Something like this problem where you know, there, that's what I just mentioned, that if u is x squared minus 1, the denominator, the derivative of u is 2x, and you can certainly grab that from the numerator right there, a u substitution. And then look to see things like, you know, trigonometric functions, rational functions. If you see rational functions, I would think partial fraction decomposition. And look for if it might be integration by parts. Is it some function times another function? And you can read there in the book what they have. If there's some radical, then that's probably the trigonometric substitution, the kind of problem that we just did. So look for those things, and this is why it's important that you work the odd problems in the book, so that you get skilled at recognizing what do I need to do with this problem when it's pulled out of the integration by parts section, and maybe, you know, they're all mixed together. Okay, so on the next page, try again. And then they have different things here, you know, try substitution, try integration by parts. But the key to knowing what method to use is practice, practice, practice.